smoother than a baby's bottom, and it's Virginia tobacco. Wow. Welcome to another episode of Vet in a Van. We are still hanging around the Tablelands in far north Queensland, and I think this episode's going to be a pretty short one. Firstly, like, how good is this morning? Look at this. There's something quite beautiful about the Tablelands, but anyway, I digress. This episode is a short one. It's about the beautiful historic town of Herberton. It is, I think, one of Australia's largest collections of a whole bunch of stuff. It is an amazing day out. I'll let the footage speak for itself. This episode, Herberton. Enjoy. Good morning. So fast forward a week. I have flown down to Melbourne, flown back, and
we got Smiley.
it was freezing cold down in Melbourne, but that's all right. We're back up in far north Queensland, which is nice and warm. And today we're going to go to a heritage town, and Tanya's going to tell me the name right now. Herberton? Herberton. So,
Historic Village of Herberton.
yeah, it's like an old historic, like, tin mining village. It's one of the first
Herberton
towns.
was the first town
Yes.
in the Tablelands.
There you go, the first town in the Tablelands. So I think it's kind of like a mini Sovereign Hill, like down in Victoria, I think. Sounds like it. So apparently you can pan for tin.
Yeah.
I've never panned for tin before, but I don't know why you
I
would.
didn't even know you could pan for tin.
I didn't even know why you would pan for tin.
Well, it's a tin mining town.
No, I get that, but I didn't get pan for it. Just doesn't seem like it's got the big fuck. Anyway, we digress. Let's go and check out Herberton.
Herberton.
Why are there so
Oh,
many
yeah.
white cars?
I know, there are all white cars there. Historic Village Herberton.
There you go, Historic Village Herberton. Go up the end here, I reckon. What do you reckon?
Sure. The Tin Pannikin.
Take the second left onto Broadway, State Route 52.
Not too busy for a Saturday.
Not too busy for a Saturday at all.
Goodness, tight in the car parks. Tiny car parks.
Tiny car bucks.
I like balls.
You can, but it's not raining.
Charlie, what have you done? You've laid an egg.
He laid an egg. I like climbing the stairs. I would say no.
So I would be asking the question, why is there a Bible on the bed of the bridal suite?
Yeah.
I suppose it's a hotel. You used to always have Bibles
You're allowed
in.
to do things.
It's true. So this one's pretty cool. This one's the drunk room, or the drunks room. And so because they had such a big mining colony here, this room here in the pub, which is at the entrance, was to house people that drank too much. And there's a maximum 5 people limit in this room. Count them. 5. Must have been comfortable. Imagine waking up with that. I'm waking up with 4 other blokes. Time to school.
So that means 92 minus 75.
Who's the teacher?
What are you teaching us?
What are you teaching? What is it, Toby?
Fake eye.
Old mate's been waiting for his dentist for a while. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Your friend the dentist. The more you see him, the less he gets on your nerves.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This cancel culture hasn't reached here yet. A load of all these wirelesses. Unbelievable. This is for Papa Ray if you're watching. Look at all of these. bridge. The suspension bridge is held up by these wires. There's nothing underneath. So when we were first buying our tickets for this place, they said, oh, you can have a 3-day, like it gives you a 3-day pass to explore the area. And we were thinking, oh, 3 days, goodness. But you could easily spend 3 days here.
Creaking.
This bridge definitely doesn't feel safe. Anyway, so it's almost 1 o'clock? Or is it almost 2 o'clock?
Yeah, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, so we're gonna go and have some stew and billy tea and damper. Because up here apparently they're doing it till 2:30. Resident Chook hanging out underneath the table, as you do. Corned beef, stew coming. We've got wings, and then we got pumpkin. And the concentration.
It's a tip for Toby's damper.
And this
Very
is
nice one,
a
ma'am.
smudge for
That's good.
yumminess. And Dad, mine, that's a tip for Toby. And this is a yum.
Tell you what, 5 stars this place.
There you go. That one like
Absolutely love it. It's just stuff everywhere. So much stuff. Someone has spent a incredible amount of time collecting all of this stuff. And I think it's just wonderful. I really do. It's wonderful to appreciate that every single bit, every car, plough, grate, pot, everything has a story. I don't know. I feel like we don't appreciate this stuff enough. I love it. Rock boats are cool, aren't they?
Canoe! Canoe!
You a dragon boat racer, you reckon? Giant crockhead.
Just go.
Look at those cogs. Don't climb on it. Mate, rug. You can see the rug there that's coming out of it. The balloon. No one loves their tractors. Lawnmowers. So many lawnmowers. Tanya's ultimate potion shop. I just want a giant thing that says pure drugs and it's full of white powder. What the? What the? And it's full of white powder.
It is. It is.
I'll just take that thing of pure drugs, thanks.
The formula was created by Mrs. Charlotte in Winslow and was first marketed in the United States in 1849. It was marketed as being the ultimate treatment for teething babies, but it turned out that it was a ridiculous amount of morphine. And so you were probably going to permanently put your baby to sleep.
Oh dear. How far we've come? When did they ban it? 1910?
And in 1911.
1911.
I bet it was still in the UK until 1930.
Yeah, that checks out. Oh my god.
But what's morphine?
And it helped you
Not
get to
good for
sleep.
babies. Not good for babies at all.
What's morphine?
Down the general store. We'll check out the rock on the way back. Oh, I've got to go to the butcher's.
Quality,
Food handling.
food safety.
Some steaks. There you go. Good old school tobacco ads.
Because like most Australians, we prefer Virginia tobacco that gives a mild, smooth cancer.
Nice one, Eli. Well, there's actually a resurgence in chewing tobacco. Yes, that says nothing smoother than a baby's bottom, and it's Virginia tobacco. Whale oil. There you go. Well, that was something I didn't know. Von Dreas still actually invented the chainsaw. And it's one of the very few things where the original inventor, they're still the largest manufacturer and producer of chainsaws. They're one of the very few places, or very few companies, that the inventor has persisted all the way through to the current day and is still the leader. How cool is that, eh? Check out them chainsaws. So I'll tell you what, the toy, these will all be lead toys. The toy, even down to the door creaking, the collection of toy dolls here is nothing short of completely creepy and terrifying.
The boy.
Yeah, that one. Why?
Why?
The boy.
What are they supposed to be?
Are they emu? No, it's like a
There's
person but with a long
people
neck.
with a long neck. Oh my god. Continental wire. World of wonder.
Before they published
10,000 things a child should know.
I'm pretty sure I can't remember 10,000 pages.
the very first of all machines.
Yeah, I can't remember that. Don't know that.
There you go, the secret of the freewheel, the inside of a water tap. That's how a tap works.
Yeah, no.
So, Historic Herberton, what do you reckon, guys?
Yeah, good.
Good?
Lemon
Absolutely fantastic. I think if you are around the Atherton Tablelands area, you should absolutely check this out. Give it a full day because it is, like, it's what, 4 o'clock-ish now?
Yeah.
So there's a lot to see. But yeah, and good homeschooling for the kids as well. Anyway, we're going to go home, and I believe we are having a campfire, bonfire and catching up at Mariba Bush Days. Lots of friends. Let's do it.